feature in Google Classroom is amazing. I just love this. It's called Read Along. It was an app that was used on phones and tablets, and this past year they made it into something that was available online, and now they've incorporated it into Google Classroom so that your students can read aloud, and you'll see, it's awesome. So I'm going to click on Read Aloud, and then I am going to look over to the left. Well, first I'm going to start so I can assign stories, read reading data, and track student progress. So now I'm going to go over to the left, and I can select the target Lexile level and the grade level. So maybe I'm going to go with grade level 1, and I'm going to go with a 100 to 200 Lexile. So this is going to give me 34 stories based on my selection. So let's try this. Who's that baby? We're going to select that, and I can preview it, and I can look at the student view. So if I want to try the student view, you can click here and try it. So let's give it a try. So the story's going to load, and then you're going to hit start reading.
Let's read. Who's that baby?
Hello.
Well done, you got that.
Who's that baby?
You read well.
That baby can work just like me.
Nice.
My wiggly toes. That baby's wiggly toes.
Nice.
Oh, that baby is good.
Read this out loud. Gone.
Gone.
Well done. Quiz time. Can he see that baby now? You missed it. Try again. Yay, you got it. You win 25 stars.
Goodbye.
That was good. Quiz time. How many babies were there? Well done, you win 50 stars. Wonderful, you finished the story. That was fast. Keep it up. To finish 10 minutes of reading today, read for 7 more minutes. Wow, look at all those stars you got.
So now I can collect my stars, and I'm super excited. So now I collected my stars. I have 554 stars, and I can pick another book to read if I want. There are prizes. They are located below here, so you don't see them on the screen. But here are my prizes.
Keep reading to get new prizes.
So I've earned these prizes. So now I'm ready to attach this story. And it automatically puts the title in here for me. So now I'm ready to assign the book for the student to read. So here's a book that I previously assigned. Is There Anyone Like Me? And I'm going to click on that, and I can see that 3 students have turned it in, so I can review their work. So let's review their work, and I'm going to see how they did reading their story aloud. So I can see right here, here's the assignment. Student 1, accuracy was 96. Student 2 was 91. And student 3 needs more reading. So student 3 actually didn't complete the whole book. So we can go ahead and look here on, this is the overview for everyone. These are common words that they needed practice with. and this was their comprehension. So the average comprehension. Now if I click on student 3, let's click on student 3, and it just shows him that we need to encourage him more. Reading at least a minimum of 100 words or 50% of the story would have to be here to show up. So he didn't even read 100 words or 50% of the story. So if we go to number 2, I can see that this student got a 91%, read 106 words correctly, 2 words read with in-app help, and 9 words were incorrectly read. So here are the words that this student needs to practice on, and their comprehension was 100%. And it also gives you their speed of reading. So 41 correct words per minute. 2 read 108 words correctly in 2.39 minutes. So this gives you a lot of information, and it is simply compiling it as you go and assisting the student with their learning or with their reading as they go. Now we can check the progress here. So the progress will show what happened right here. So this is only one book, but as they read more, you'll have more progress in this.